So here's how you can turn on the voice isolation on the iPhone running the latest iOS 26. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, make sure that you are on a call with someone and you can easily just, accept it once you are inside of, actually making the call. And the point is that you can control it when you swipe it down from the top right to access the control center. And it's not part of the volume settings, so it's definitely not there, but instead you actually have to tap on the top of the page right there, and this is going to give you some options for the audio settings or for the voice, right? So you can see we have four main options. By default, it's likely going to be set to automatic, so that is the first thing you can take a look at. But then below we have the standard mode, then we have the voice isolation, as well as wide spectrum. So these are the options, or most importantly, the place where you can switch between them. And of course, you might want to turn on the voice isolation only, right? So that's where you can find it. It's pretty simple. That's the whole process behind it. One more thing though, you probably didn't mean that, but there could be some people who wanted to enhance the voice for their audio recordings. And I quickly want to mention that in the voice memos app, on the iPhone, we have the ability to go to the edit mode and tap on enhance recording. And this also could turn on voice isolation, technically not directly, but a lot of people could also mean that, so I just wanted to mention it too. Now let me know in the comments below if I managed to help you out with it. Subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and more videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.